Yo, what is up, guys? Holy High here, and welcome to a new video. So, if you're watching this video, your tools right here are probably moving like this, like all bulky like that. Well, today I'm gonna show you how pretty much you can have this this like smooth and precise little thingy right here, where it's like all smooth and nice and all that and so precise, and it works for everything, and you can make it thinner, as you can see, thanks to the thing I'm about to show you. So make sure to watch the whole entire video to see how I got this. So you may have something bulky like this, like that you don't like because it's not precise at all, and like same thing for when you move. It's all bulky like that, and it's not precise. And you tried using F3X, and you still don't find it precise enough. Well, let me tell you, all you have to do is go right up here, edit the move to I put it at 0.1 because it's just that it's the smoothest I can get, and that puts it like real smooth. So just saying, right here, the bigger it is, it pretty much works by studs. So like the bigger it is, that means every time it's gonna move by 300 studs. So like that, that's because it's moving by 300 studs. But the smaller it is, so 0.1, the more precise it is. So right here, now you got this smooth little slidey thing. And then now we're gonna edit rotate. So I can't remember really what's the default, but I think it's 40. So yeah, so rotate will be bulky like this at 40. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna do the same thing. You can actually put it at 0, but that's if you don't care about all the lines for precision. Here, that's gonna be a 1 stud. So it's gonna go by 1 stud, no, 1 degree. Yeah, when it comes to rotate, it doesn't work anymore. It's not by studs anymore. So like 0.50, just remember, the smaller you put it, the more precise it'll be. Actually, can you put the move at 0? Oh, you can put the move at 0 also. Alright, so there's the entire video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and that this helped you out. And we'll see you in another one. Goodbye.